Okay, and the stock pick of the moment is JPMorgan Chase and Company. Okay, JPMorgan Chase and Company is an American multinational investment bank and financial services company headquartered in New York City. The company was founded around 1799. It's one of the largest banks in the United States. JP Morgan Chase operates through several business segments, including consumer and community banking, corporate and investment banking, commercial banking, and asset and wealth management. The company stock is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the stock ticker symbol JPM. JP Morgan Chase is known for its wide range of financial services. The company has a significant global presence within over 100 countries around the world. And in recent years, JP Morgan Chase has been focused on developing new technologies and solutions to improve its customer experience and enhance its digital capabilities. So let's go ahead and jump inside my computer on Google Finance and take a look at their current numbers. Okay, now before we jump onto Google Finance to look at their numbers, I want to let you know why exactly I picked them again. Now, some stocks I'm going to pick more than one time. That's why it's called stock pick of the moment. And the reason I picked JP Morgan Chase for a second time is because I read this article just recently. It says JP Morgan profit soars 52% despite all the problems we've been having with banks. So guys, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I made a video maybe about 2-3 weeks ago about the 5 big banks and letting you know that those banks are not going to fail. They are ran solidly. And if any one of those big banks that I did a video on were to fail, then we all would be in trouble. But I like JP Morgan Chase. It's a very well-ran bank. So let's roll on over here to Google Finance and look at some of their numbers. Okay. So right now I'm on Google Finance and JP Morgan's stock symbol is JPM. Now, right now, as of April 14th, 2023, their stock price is at $138.65. Now, again, guys, I know some of you may be on a tight budget, but remember, with Robinhood online brokerage accounts, you can buy fractional shares. So you don't have to spend the total $138.77 for this. You can just spend $10 for this. And you can build your way up until a full share. And another thing, I had got a question in my email. It sort of was like a ridicule. And somebody asked me, hey, Maurice, why are you putting stock investment videos on a channel where you also talk about SNAP benefits and food stamps? And you know what? I do this on purpose because I figure maybe I can spark someone to start investing and securing their future, and maybe we can help them get off of public assistance or SNAP benefits. Okay, because investing is a very good way to build wealth. Now, back to the subject. JP Morgan Chase is at 138.84. They have a yearly range, and this is a very good yearly range of between $101 and $144. Guys, this is great for dollar cost averaging. JP Morgan Chase has a huge market cap of $406 billion. Let me see, something's wrong. Let me refresh this page real quick. Okay, here we go. They have a huge market cap of $406 billion, and they pay a nice annual dividend yield of about 2.88%. Again, they are listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Now, guys, if you're following me and you use Google Finance to do some of your due diligence, you will notice it's always stories about the company, and they put comparable companies or competitors or companies that are on the same niche or business models. So up under JP Morgan, you'll see other banks, But the best thing about Google Finance, they'll give you the news for the company. The second thing, the CEO, we already know when you do a due diligence, you want to look at the CEO. So we'll click right here, and we've already looked at this guy before, but we're going to look at him again. His name is Jamie Dimon. So if we clicked on his name, it's going to bring us right over here to Google page and his Google page, and it tells you a lot about the CEO of the company. You can surf around and do your due diligence. Guys, this man right here, Jamie Dimon, he is always in the news, and he is one of the go-to guys that people look to when they have questions about our economy. He's been working in banks for years. Matter of fact, okay, because I know a lot about JPMorgan Chase. He's sort of like the founder, JP Morgan. When the United States was in a crisis back in the day, the government went to JP Morgan, the man, and he helped bail out the United States. So this guy is kind of similar. He's a financial wizard. He knows what he's doing. He's even on the board of, I think, the New York Federal Reserve. So he's a good CEO. So JP Morgan Chase is a well-ran bank. Okay. They are headquartered in New York City. They have almost 300,000 employees. This is a very solid stock. Okay. So if you're looking for something to add to your portfolio for dollar cost averaging, dividend capture, okay, that's they making a lot of money because again, on this story right here, it said JP Morgan profit soars 52%. Okay, even though a lot of banks are in trouble, JP Morgan Chase is doing well. So again, if you're looking for something to add to your portfolio, think about that. Now, the next thing I want to be clear about is if you have never bought a stock and you don't understand what's going on. So this is the stock price. Okay. Say if you just have $20, but you want to really invest in stocks, you can do it with Robinhood. Somewhere around this video is going to be a link that says get a free stock from Robinhood. And when you click on that link, it's going to bring you right here to a custom page that Robinhood gave me to share with you. Okay. And you'll know you're on the right page because you will see my name right here. Maurice invited you. So when you sign up for Robinhood, you're going to click this button right here, and they're going to give you a free stock that's worth between $500 and $200. And it's picked at random. I think when I signed up, they gave me a stock that was worth like $20. So it was a free stock. And then after about a week, I sold it and put that money in AT&T. Okay, so that's a good thing about Robinhood. They welcome you with a free stock. You can also buy fractional shares of stock. So if you're looking to invest in the stock market and you don't know a lot about it, I would say go with Robinhood and invest what you can. Always do your due diligence because I am not a financial expert. I just want to help some people. If I can help them and teach them a little bit about the stock and how to focus on the companies and what to look for. And again, the main thing that I look at, and I said it in my last video, is the market cap. JP Morgan Chase has a market cap of $400 billion. Okay. And I like a company where the market cap is at least 30 billion. So they are way ahead of that. And I love companies that pay dividends because what I do is when I get a dividend payment, I roll it right back into the stock. Okay. So guys, this is a very good company. Consider JP Morgan Chase, stock symbol JPM. Now, real quick before I go, if I have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't be shy. And if you would like to see me spotlight a stock that you may be looking at, leave it in the comments and I'll make a video on that stock for you. Okay, guys. So I want to thank you for sitting here watching this video. Again, leave comments. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. Guys, have a great day.